And continued high oil prices have boosted full-year profits at Royal Dutch Shell. The Anglo-Dutch oil giant said profit hit a new record of $25.44 billion after excluding changes in inventory value. The figures also beat analysts' forecasts, and the company expects asset sales to accelerate this year to some $9 billion as it continues to refocus its activities. The stock up 2.7%. For more on this and the rest of the oil sector, we're joined by Max Amzelash, senior trader at JN Financial. Max, good to see you. Thanks for coming in. What did you like most about what you heard from Royal Dutch today?
Well, I'm very impressed by their earnings. I mean, they beat consensus, which is a very good thing. And overall, it's very positive, up 21% in earnings. And their strategy, their future strategy, looks very strong.
Does it make you want to buy the stock?
Yes, to a certain extent. Obviously, they have many negative factors as well, such as the Nigeria issue. And there are talks that they could be diversifying into Iran as well. But overall, I'm very impressed with Shell at the moment.
Max, Christine here. We know that Shell's Sakhalin project in Russia is mired in controversy. There are a lot of questions about the impact on its reserves. What's the potential Sakhalin impact on Shell's earnings next year?
I think it could be a major blow, especially with low oil price levels as well. But I think they'll take this into consideration. And I think post-2010 it could be a very good future for Shell, really.
Hi, Max. It's Michelle here in the United States. We're going to hear from ExxonMobil later on this morning. Do you think the results out of Shell give us any sense of what we're going to hear from that Dow component?
Yes. I mean, Exxon have a similar strategy to Shell. I mean, from what I've seen, they have a very good balance sheet of $50 billion. And one has to think where they're going to put the money into. Could be Iraq. But overall, I think they will have similar line with Shell, and I think the results will be in line.
Long-term, looking at the majors, there's not much correlation between the oil majors' share performance and the oil price, but short-term, there's a really big correlation. So if you want to buy Shell or these oil majors at the moment, does that mean you're taking a more bullish view on the oil price?
Not necessarily. I mean, one has to think about strategy and other factors. I think, obviously, the oil price does come into play, and they've been following a similar trend. I mean, if you see since August, Shell's earnings, the share price even, has fallen down 10%. I think we have to wait for a global political shock, really, especially from Iran, for us to see a drastic change in price. But otherwise, I think there won't be much of a change, really.
Okay, Max, good to see you. Thanks very much
for
coming in. Max Amzelash, senior trader at JN Financial.